Hey guys, I'm Heleno from Renova Flooring and I'm here in Seabright to introduce you to our latest project. We've been chosen by the builder to take on this new construction and I'm very excited to show you guys around. The project has been split in 4 phases and I will be guiding you guys through each one. Let's take a look at the house. Phase 1, we started by sanding the edges of the plywood and applying a sealer to prep the surface. Phase 2, we carefully select the perfect floors to match the house's style and needs. Phase 3, we got a work installing hardwood on the 3 floors. The second floors we got a cool herringbone pattern and we made sure to firmly secure the flooring with glue and nails. Phase 4, after the installation, we sanded the flooring to smooth perfection and applied 4 coats of water-based satin finish for the extra shine and protection. As a finishing touch, we went the extra mile and we custom made an iron railing complemented by a white oak hand railing to add a unique and stylish touch to the space. And this is the final touch and the homeowner is delighted with the outcome. Follow us on our social media if you want to see more projects like this.